Hey you guys, in today's video I wanted to try out something different. I use heat transfer vinyl for a lot of different projects. So I have four different surfaces today that I want to try and attempt to apply heat transfer vinyl to. The first one is going to be wood. I've already cut my design and I have it placed on here, and I'm going to be using my heat press to apply the heat transfer vinyl to my piece of wood. I have metal. It is a stainless steel bottle opener that I'm also going to be applying heat transfer vinyl to. It's going to have the Dodgers design on the front and then personalized with the last name on the back. And we are also going to attempt to apply HTV to a glass coffee mug. I am a huge Friends fan, and this is one of my favorite episodes. I've already done one right here, and we are going to personalize the other. It's a his and hers set, hers, his, and then I'm going to add the little dots in between each letter for these. This is glass, and then the last one is ceramic, and these are little succulent planters. I put the words "please don't die" and I used an offset on my silhouette machine to create the outline. And all of these are using Craftables heat transfer vinyl. So I haven't done this one yet. When I make my epoxy tumblers, I use heat transfer vinyl a lot of the times for the wording and sometimes even the design. When I apply them to my epoxy tumblers, I use this heat gun. It's pretty messy because I use it a lot. I believe I purchased this from Joann's, and I think it was maybe only like $9–10, and it's basically a heat gun, so it's just going to blow hot air. Now, I don't know how well this will work on the glass surface or the ceramic surface, because with heat transfer vinyl, with a surface like this, which is slick, you're going to need to apply a lot of pressure. I do have a mug press, but I know a lot of people don't have those, so I don't want to use that to apply it to the surface. What I think I'm going to do is just use my heat press and hold it up to the plate that gets hot and apply pressure and see if that works on these. So I'm going to turn my camera over to my heat press and we'll get started. I'm waiting for the mugs to cool so that I could pull the vinyl. I think this might be ready. Okay, so these two last letters didn't stick too great, so I'm just going to hit it with the heat gun, and I am going to fast forward through this and also shut off the sound because the heat gun's pretty loud. Okay, now I just need to add the little dots. And I believe I'll use the heat gun for this. Okay, this is the outline. It should be cool enough now so that I can peel it back. You want to peel it slowly so that it doesn't lift. There's the outline. Now I'm going to add the metallic rose gold over it. And I'm going to hit it with the heat gun, and I will fast forward through this as well. I just have this old towel that I use for paint and stuff, and I'm just using it so that I don't burn my hand, and I'm applying pressure to the little dots to make sure they adhere to the glass. Let that cool for a bit. We will see if this one is ready. There are a couple spots that are raised, so I'm just going to hit it with my heat gun and then apply pressure. Okay. There we go. Okay, and the final touch to the mom cave sign is this right here. Oh. Oops. Okay. So we are going to hot glue this to the sign. My glue gun is very old, so excuse its appearance. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. Everything is done. I'm going to get some pictures of all of these. It worked. So we got HTV to stick to wood, stainless steel, ceramic planters, and glass coffee mugs. So let me know if you guys give this a try, or if you have any easier ways of getting this done for the ceramic and glass. Overall, it worked. HTV can be used on a lot of different surfaces, so hopefully you guys try it out, step out of your comfort zone. I'm always open to trying new things, so this was, although it was a little bit challenging, it was actually fun. So I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully I saved you guys some time in attempting to do this yourself. Now you know it is going to take a little bit longer than just applying adhesive, but one thing I do like about HTV, I will say, is that when lining up your project onto your surface, it's a lot easier to make sure it's straight. With adhesive, once you apply it, if it sticks and you re-lift it up, a lot of this design stays on there, and then you're gonna have to peel it all off and recut. I've done that quite a few times. So with the HTV, I like that it doesn't stick until you start heating it. So you're able to remove the carrier sheet and place it back on until you like the position of it. So that is one thing that is a plus. And also I just feel like the HTV just sticks a little better. I mean, I haven't had any problems with my Craftables permanent adhesive, but I feel like maybe just because there's heat involved that it'll last longer. We'll see. These are going to be used by my husband and myself because we're both big Friends fans. And I'll let you guys know after washing them how long it lasts. So I have a couple of mugs that I made with Craftables permanent adhesive that I made a little more than a year ago. And I know you're not supposed to dishwash them, but I do. So, and they've held up. So I will let you guys know, keep you guys posted. If you guys have any ideas for any other tutorials that you would like to see, please let me know. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.